Who is that? Who is that, Nevaeh?
This.
Who is it?
This one.
Who is it?
A Freya.
Nevaeh and who else?
A mommy.
Mommy?
You mommy too.
Yeah, I'm mommy. Who are you?
I think. I am Nevaeh.
You're Nevaeh?
Yeah.
How old are you? How old are you? Okay. You can see your arms, that's cool. How old are you? Nevaeh, how old are you?
Big, dude. She's that big.
I know, but how old are you? Hey, I'm asking you a question. How old are you? How old are you, Nevaeh? How old are you, Nevaeh? Are you gonna tell me how old you are, or what?
Yeah.
How old are you?
I think.
You're 3?
Me.
Okay.
What do you like, Nevaeh?
Do you like happy and smiles?
Blah, blah. Blah, blah.
Okay.
Oh.
Did you hurt yourself? Say bye.
Bye.